Hello, thank you for attending the istartsmart touchscreen computer training. My name is Derby Armstead, and I will be your guide for this course. The istartsmart touchscreen computers are developed by Hatch. They are a revolutionary, all-in-one learning system for early childhood classrooms. istartsmart focuses on developing 18 core skills that have been shown to be essential for success in school. Developed by education experts for the early childhood market, this research-based learning system features adaptive teaching technology. Now, one of the ways that istartsmart accomplishes its goals is by presenting friendly and engaging characters to help children advance through the educational lessons that take them beyond the confines of their classroom to explore gardens, to explore the treasures of the U.S. and African safari, etc. These children experience math, language, literacy, science, and social studies concepts. And it's all done in a personalized environment. This adaptive teaching technology moves children through the activities as they are ready to move and advance. The system uses 5 scaffolding levels to increase or decrease difficulty from the emerging level to developed as the children master each level. Now, most of the heavy lifting is done by a software product called the Shell Squad games. Now, the Shell Squad games are sort of the core software products in the system. And what they use is the same friendly, engaging characters to help children advance through their lessons. And the great thing is that each time that children log in, everything they learn and everything they do while logged in is automatically saved for easy progress monitoring. The skill development is also enhanced with another area, Henry's Hideout, which is a free play zone that includes activities that involve children in drawing and exploring and interacting with different objects. So in all, the system, it has very, very robust manner in which the children can learn and play and really get involved in learning. The istartsmart system also allows teachers to monitor each child's progress every time they log in. And all this progress data is summarized in an easy-to-understand report, which I will give you a glimpse at a little later in this presentation. And what this report does is it puts the power to make informed instructional decisions in the hands of teachers, leading to very much improved efficiency and improved child outcome. Now, istartsmart is based on research. It was developed by Hatch to provide the early childhood market with developmentally appropriate technology that's founded in research and basically exceeds both state and national standards. The children explore math and literacy concepts individually in a very positive and encouraging virtual environment. And as they complete different activities, they get theme-based rewards and prizes, such as a vegetable growing in their garden, a location being added to their travel scrapbook, or even a safari animal badge. Plus, in addition to being an exceptional learning system for children, every Hatch computer can be used by teachers for administrative work, classroom management. Teachers can easily exit the kid's safe environment and then use any Windows-compatible software such as Microsoft Office. Hatch configures each computer learning center around EC Launch, which is a utility software program that is exclusive to Hatch, which promotes a safe, child-directed computing environment for children and teachers. In addition, Hatch also has designed a computer desk just for kids that you won't find anywhere else, which has all the safety features on the market and is totally adjustable. istartsmart automatically captures and monitors progress data while children play while they learn. The detailed information enables teachers to understand each child's comprehension and proficiency across the 18 core skill areas, and the teachers are able to see how much time the child spends in each skill area and also to use their teacher controls to refocus activities so that the child can spend more time developing a particular skill set if necessary. Now this of course is adjustable by an individual child or controls by the overall classroom. So let's talk a little bit about the EC Launch software. I'm going to place an image of EC Launch up on the screen, and you'll see the 6 icons: Shell Squad Games, Henry's Hideout, Storytime, Web Portal, Gamepad, and TeacherPad. And when the computer boots up, it will launch directly into EC Launch and land on the home pad. And these icons you see in front of you now represent the home pad. In the left corner, in the upper left corner, we have the stop sign, which will be how we exit back out to the home pad. So let's go over each pad. The teacher pad manages much of the EC Launch features. The teacher pad is password protected, and it's where activities, websites, and customized pads are managed, and they're added or edited through the EC Launch preferences. This is also where the Beyond the Computer resides, as well as the help materials that you can use to help you as well. The web portal is where sites appropriate for the children can be found, so the children can actually click on this icon themselves and go to various child-safe websites. The Gamepad, similarly, is where games and other applications that are appropriate for the children reside. The Storytime houses several interactive books, which is great. And Henry's Hideout is the free play zone. It has lots of interactive features as well as drawing and writing games and nutrition games. So now we get to the one software, the one set of games that does most of the heavy lifting. Those are the Shell Squad games. I say this because this is where teacher and children will enter the heart of the istartsmart software. Shell Squad games are where the skill families reside. Now this is where the teacher and the children will enter the heart of the istartsmart software. So let's talk a little bit about the Shell Squad games. Before you can get in and the children can start playing the Shell Squad games, there's some setup that needs to occur. You need to set up a classroom. You need to load in the individual children, and then you're allowed to log into the system. Now again, the Shell Squad games are the areas where the monitoring is taking place and where all the activities the children are participating in is being captured. So first, you organize by creating a classroom or multiple classrooms, then you make the profiles, and then you go in and select on the teacher pad the classroom drop-down menu. So you find your classroom and you press the Add Child button, and then you press the Create New Child button on the next pop-up. Now if the child is available, you pose them in front of the camera and then choose the Capture Image button just to save the image. But if a child isn't available at the moment, it's okay, you can do it later. Although you must put an image in the system in order to enter the child, You can always take a blank image and then change it later at your convenience. So the only other things you have to do is to enter a name for the child, enter a birth date, click Add Child, you're done. Of course, you're going to repeat the process until you've done each of the children. Now when you're done, you're going to leave the teach area by pressing the exit button in the top right corner of the screen. Now the login process is kind of unique, so I'm going to go over that a bit. When you go to log in for the first time, you'll be asked to choose a classroom and then tap the screen twice to skip to the next login screen. So you can choose one of the children that you created, and once you choose one of the images, the pictures get shuffled and you get asked to choose the same picture again. Well, this is important. Actually, when the children are logging in, when you're not there, they're going through a similar process where their picture comes up. They're asked to choose their picture, and then it gets shuffled and they're asked to choose again. This makes certain that the right child is logging into the right area. They are also presented with 3 themes: travel, garden, and safari. Once they choose an area, all of the games in that area, in that group, are beneath that choice. Now let's talk a little bit about progress monitoring. That's one of the areas that are going to be most important to you. If you look at the image I placed on the screen, I'm showing you an image of the class overview report. And you notice in the center, they're color-coded: green, red, blue, orange, and purple are the 5 areas I discussed from each of the skill sets that the children want to learn. And you'll notice also that the names of the children are there. Phonological awareness. So let's go over a bit of progress monitoring. You notice on the screen I put an image of the class overview report. Now, this is going to be very important to you. You're going to see in the top left-hand corner, there'll be the name of the teacher and the school. And in the center, color-coded, you're going to see the 5 skill areas that I discussed earlier, from the green, phonological awareness, to purple, to logic and reasoning. So right across that line, green, red, blue, orange, and purple are the skill areas, and you're going to see the progress of the students. The students are listed on the left, and the icons indicate what progress the child has made. And this is a very, very simple and clear, easy way to see where all the children and how they're doing. You're also able to print in-depth progress monitoring reports. Now, istartsmart provides a graphical dashboard-style view of each child's progress, and in that way, the software turns raw data into an easy-to-read and printable report. istartsmart allows teachers, administrators, and parents to make fully informed decisions about everything from tomorrow's lessons to overarching instructional strategies for each child. The progress monitoring reports are frequent and very accurate. They make it very easy to identify and assist struggling students and even track program accountability.